my own world of make-believe. Kid screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross